Mingca Packing and ExxonMobil combine their expertise in film converting and packaging and polymer technology. After 4 years of collaborations, have introduced a groundbreaking double-bubble polyethylene shrink film solution that fulfill global market needs. Compared to traditional polyolefin films POF and cross-linked shrink film, the PEF shrink film features a few advantages that offer considerable value and attractiveness to the market. Mono-PE structure. The PEF shrink film has been designed for recyclability by leveraging a mono-PE structure, which can help improve film recyclability. Without cross-linking, this film can be produced using double-bubble technology and downward water-cooled blown process, which represents a significant change in the production of shrink films. The film's recyclability and double E have been third-party validated and certified by TÜV Rheinland. Excellent optical performance. The result of haze testing indicates that the PEF shrink film has higher light transmittance, which is up to 45% higher than that of POF and cross-linked films. The PEF shrink film can provide fantastic clarity, which is apparent to the naked eye. It not only can help enhance the visibility of the product contained in the package, but also can enhance the look of your product with a beautiful shine. Small and soft corners. In terms of softness testing, the PEF shrink film performance data is very close to that of the cross-linked film. Compared with POF, the softness of PEF is increased by about 40%. The corners are small and soft, which can offer end customers a better user experience. Outstanding shrinkage performance. In the silicone oil test, the shrinkage rate of PEF shrink film is higher than that of POF, reaching more than 70%, which is close to the performance of the most cross-linked films on the market. At the same time, PEF has excellent low-temperature shrinkage performance, which can provide excellent packaging appearance and performance to the finished film. At the same time, can offer potential cost-saving opportunity. PEF is a striking, high-quality packaging film solution that can help improve film recyclability, bringing more possibilities to the packaging world and helping to contribute to the circular plastic economy. Mingca Packing and ExxonMobil are looking forward to collaborating with you.